Conveniently located in the heart of Sugar Land sits 15911 Morgan Street in the gated community of Lake Point. This gorgeous Pelican Builders townhome was built in 2014 and is elevator capable and features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. The foyer welcomes you with hardwood floors and leads to the downstairs bedroom with an ensuite bath and a door leading to the back patio. The open second floor includes a living room surrounded by windows, a coffered ceiling, and a cast stone gas log fireplace with a Pioneer Elite television included. The dining area has a butler's pantry with glass upper cabinets and opens to the cook's kitchen with Bosch stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas stovetop, and the Bosch refrigerator stays with the home. The spacious island kitchen includes quartz counters, a wine chiller, an eat-up breakfast bar, and beautiful cabinets with undermount lighting. The separate breakfast area is a great place to enjoy a cup of coffee with windows overlooking the back patio. The spacious owner's suite has a vaulted ceiling with a sitting area, while the owner's bath features marble counters, dual sinks with a vanity, along with a jetted tub and a separate shower. The upstairs secondary bedroom has a ceiling fan and an ensuite bath with tile floors. The charming fenced backyard includes a brick paved patio and features beautiful landscaping and room for an outdoor grill. With convenient access to Highway 59 and all the shopping and restaurants that the Sugar Land Town Square has to offer, 15911 Morgan Street in the gated community of the Enclave at Lake Point is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.